warning for Northeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cushing and Ripley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Okay, I guess it's already ended.